Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your Play Store app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here, then you click on apps, then come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Play Store app, or just click on search, then here at Play Store app, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, click on for stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store here, click here on Play Store, then here it's going to work in with you, it's going to show for you like this here on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.